Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn off iCloud photos. So first up, go ahead and find the settings icon or the settings app on your phone. Tap on it. After once done, go ahead over to your Apple ID, okay, or iCloud. So just tap on it. After once that's done, go ahead over to iCloud right here. Tap. And then after that, go ahead and tap on Saved to iCloud right here. Tap on See All, and then you'll be able to see iCloud photos. All right, you can turn off whatever you want from here. Okay, so we have here iCloud photos. Just tap on it, and then just use the slider right here to turn it off. Okay, on the next page, it will let you choose whether to download the photos and videos, and that option will keep the full resolution versions on your device. And that one, or that option, is to delete those photos and videos from this device, okay, keeping only the versions currently stored in iCloud. Okay, that's basically it. That's how simple it is to turn off iCloud photos. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.